In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge cards in Trello. Merging cards in Trello can be incredibly useful when you want to consolidate information from multiple tasks or projects into a single comprehensive card. Whether you're managing projects for work or organizing personal activities, this feature can help streamline your workflow, keeping everything clean and efficient. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Trello and log into your account. Make sure you're in the correct board where you want the card merge to take place. Once there, locate the card that you want to keep as the main card. This will essentially serve as your primary card that will contain all the information you want to keep central. Open this card by clicking on it. Once open, you'll see a range of options and details that you can edit. This is your starting point. Next, you're going to find and select the Add option within this main card. Now, you'll want to click on Attachments. Attaching a card to another is like setting up a bridge between them. It's a really effective way to ensure all relevant information converges in one place without losing context from either card. When you've opened the Attachments menu, you'll be given a few options for sources to attach from. What we want here is to select the card that you wish to merge with your main card. Perhaps this secondary card holds additional details or tasks that are now redundant on their own. After selecting the correct card for attachment, you can scroll down to find the linked card under the details of your main card. Take a moment to check that the information aligns as you expected. Is everything attached looking accurate? Great, go ahead and select Connect Cards. This establishes a direct relationship between the two. The final step involves selecting Relate Both Cards. This step solidifies the connection between the cards, essentially treating them as a single entity, yet keeping the capability to differentiate between the original tasks of each card. What's great about using this method is that if any updates are made on one card, they'll be visible across the related network of cards. This ensures that as you update tasks or bubble up changes, everything across your network reflects those changes too. And that's it. You've successfully merged your cards in Trello. Remember, keeping your space organized by merging cards can not only save you time, but also help you keep track of multiple layers of tasks at once. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps keep your workflow in harmony and your projects progressing smoothly.